Playing a part, understanding English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, playing a part. This idiom is quite interesting and useful in various contexts. So, let's dive in and understand what it really means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. The phrase, playing a part, generally means to act or behave in a certain way, especially to give a false impression. It's similar to acting in a play or movie. When someone is playing a part, they're adopting a role or a character that might not reflect their true feelings or personality. For example, if someone says, "He's just playing a part to impress his friends," it means that the person is behaving in a way that's not genuine but is intended to create a certain impression among his friends. Understanding the origin of idioms can make them easier to remember. The phrase, playing a part, comes from the theater world. In plays, actors play parts or roles that are often very different from their real selves. This concept then extended to everyday language to describe situations where people behave differently from their true selves. Now, let's see how to use this phrase in daily conversations. 1. In professional contexts. During the meeting, I felt like I was just playing a part. My real opinions were quite different. 2. In personal relationships. He's not really that outgoing. He's just playing a part to fit in with the group. 3. In observing others. It seems like she's playing a part to impress her new colleagues. Sometimes, you might hear variations of this idiom. For example, playing the part, acting the part. These have similar meanings and can be used interchangeably. And that's a wrap on the phrase, playing a part. Remember, idioms like this are great for adding color to your language and can help you sound more like a native speaker. We hope this video has been helpful. Keep practicing. And don't forget to have fun with the language. See you next time.